Good evening. I'm at the west coast of Denmark and it's Sunday today. Um, it's very windy today and you might even be able to hear it in the background. I'm inside the nest, as you can see, and I'm gonna take you outside, but hang on because it's windy and the waves are crazy big and it's just amazing. Outside I won't be able to say anything because I got the wind muffler on the microphone. It's just too windy. But let's go outside. But see the flag? It's just howling wind. There's some, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 cameravans and a couple of small cameravans here, and then the nest, and that's it. I don't know if anyone gonna stay tonight, but let's see. Let's go inside again. It's crazy windy outside, and even I was just outside for a few minutes. My glasses are completely covered in the spray from the sea. So for sure this is not good for the car or the nest. Salty water from the sea. But anyway, that's just my glasses are covered in salt water now. I can hardly see. But this is just a short update to show you this, and I will try to see if I can put it up tonight. But now it's time for me to cook some dinner and get something to eat. Okay, so just a short update. You guys take care, and remember, life is good. Bye bye.